Hi, my name is Elizabeth Cleveland, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the kidney disease program before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the kidney disease program is, be careful with the website you're going to buy the kidney disease program, because the kidney disease program is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the kidney disease program and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, the kidney disease program works. The Kidney Disease Solution is an all-in-one step-by-step program that provides you with everything you need to reverse your kidney disease, improve kidney function and protect your kidneys from further damage so you may avoid dialysis and transplant. It includes a collection of e-books and cookbooks that provide specific instructions on assessing your condition, interpreting your test results, and creating a structured treatment and diet plan that is exclusively suited to your condition. All of its treatment methods are based on the latest findings in naturopathic science, and some are derived from traditional Eastern medicine. It also comes with meditational audiobooks and videos for providing a holistic approach to treat kidney diseases and induce healing. They also provide free lifetime program updates, so members can take advantage of new information that they discover, and also, their lifetime email support will be useful for clearing any queries. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the kidney disease program, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the kidney disease program for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the kidney disease program from, and also, if you do buy the product, take advantage of all the wealth of information available in this program, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the kidney disease program actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.